truth, and nothing but the truth. So help you God.
I do.
Thank you. This appears to be an initial determination because this began as a support matter provided through the prosecuting attorney's office. And in the order of support that was entered on February 27th, last month, there was support ordered on an interim basis. The court ordered joint legal custody. And on an interim basis, the court ordered physical custody to plaintiff, Mr. Golov, in this matter. And the plaintiff shall have sole physical custody of the minor children until the defendant requests a hearing and a front of the court investigation into custody and custodial time. And the order will stay in effect until such hearing comes before the court and the court makes their determination. So I'm assuming, Ms. Spohn, you are indeed requesting that to get this process moving forward, yes. Correct? Okay. All right, and the court had entered an interim order regarding the status of custody, physical and legal, joint legal as to both parties, physical to father. And were you at the hearing originally back on February 24th?
It was over Zoom, but yes, I guess, kind of.
Okay, so what is the proper cause or change in circumstance since the last hearing?
At the last hearing, I was in jail, unfortunately.
Why were you in jail?
It was a long situation.
Is it a pending criminal charge or is it a criminal charge that's concluded? Is it a failure to pay on a ticket?
No, it was a situation with some friends. We all got locked up. We were all just drunk. It was really bad. And we all got locked up. I ended up walking away with a misdemeanor, everyone else with felonies.
What was the misdemeanor?
Assault and battery.
Upon child? Or?
No, another adult.
Okay, so.
Your Honor, I'm gonna just kind of stop that right there because I actually represent her in that matter with Golov County. Yeah, so I would prefer her to not talk about anything like that. So.
Okay, well, I don't know what's going on.
I don't. Yeah.
For the record, Ms. Jessica Risky stood up and made comment. Okay. So what's changed since February 24 that you believe that I should review the interim order?
Everything between me. I have, from being in jail, and oh my goodness, I'm sorry, I can't speak, I'm nervous.
I require you to stand too as well.
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry.
I apologize.
I attend AA every Wednesdays just because alcohol was involved. I am sober off of everything. I don't do anything. I work all the time. I have a good job. I live currently with my mom, which doesn't sound good, but I have a great support system. I just think it's better that the kids have both parents in their lives instead of just one. I think it would benefit everyone involved for both parents to be involved in the children's lives.
Okay. Is there any parenting time at this point?
For me, no.
This is a motion regarding custody. Okay. Sir, your response, please.
Do I need to stand for it?
Yes, please.
I would like to keep and retain my full custody. Their living situation is not plausible. There is more than 7 people living in a 3-bedroom house. Their living room has been turned into essentially an Airbnb. There's mattresses for everybody to lay down on. They sleep in recliners and on the couch. Where I reside in Ubley, each individual kid has their own respective bedroom. I have my own respective bedroom. We rent out the entire upstairs of the house. There is no shared into groceries and stuff. Like I have my own. Well, I'm trying to think. It's providing. I provide for them all on my own. Like my roommate doesn't help with me. My dad and my little brother, our third-party contact, are the main babysitters for myself right now when I don't, or when I have to go out and do job interviews and stuff for work.
What are your thoughts about mom having parenting time?
If she can do multiple months of the AA, because I know I have text messages, proofs that she was drunk while caring for our son.
There are 3 children, correct? Two, sorry. Okay, but you're saying mother is not fit to have any parenting time with the child, even supervised?
Supervised, maybe, but not by herself, no.
If it were supervised, is there a supervisor that could monitor this?
My father,
What's your father's name?
at Golov.
Are you able to supervise it?
I have no contact order with her, so I would like to keep it like that.
What's the no contact order based on?
The domestic violence that we were supposed to have yesterday, but Judge Harrington wasn't here for the,
Oh, there's a charge of domestic violence?
yeah,
And who's the alleged victim?
she is.
Who is the person alleged of committing the domestic assault?
I am.
But there's a no contact provision.
Yes, that she has broke multiple times.
Oh. I'm assuming front of the court has no third-party supervisors. They want to pay. Well, mom's working, she testified. Dad, are you working? You may be seated.
Oh.
Are you
I
working?
have classes with Michigan Works to work on getting my CDLA. So that's what I'm.
But you're not working right now.
No,
What does it cost?
They're currently charging $25 an hour plus mileage. I do have a very limited remainder of access and visitation grant funds left for September. I think we have $300 left. A couple hours.
Do you have a proposed supervisor?
I do not.
Family member, close friend?
My mom isn't working right now, so she could.
What's her name?
Shanna Seeker,
How do you spell the last name?
Theaker.
You said Shannon?
Yep, no, Shanna, Shanna.
Shannon, okay.
Sorry, it's common, happens a lot.
Are you familiar with Ms. Speaker?
yes,
Any problems with Ms. Speaker?
yes.
What are the concerns?
She is very also mentally unstable. I've witnessed herself hit herself in the head when she ran out of weed. So she's an addict.
The domestic violence allegation, when is that going to be resolved? Is it a trial or a plea or a dismissal? Any ideas, sir?
Yesterday, Miss Weisenbaugh said that we were gonna move it for trial.
Ms. Weisenbach?
Yeah.
Ms. Risky, you represent Ms. Spohn on what type of matter?
I represent her in the Tuscola County matter, the assault and battery charge that she had alleged. But for the record, I want to make it very clear, I cannot give her any type of advice in this case at all.
I'm not asking for that. I just want to know who's the alleged victim?
It is not this party.
But if it's not, who is the alleged party? If you know.
I don't know. I mean, I can pull it up for you real quick.
No, but it involves somebody at least,
Correct,
an A and B charge.
correct.
And that's why she was in jail before, back in February when the court had.
Yes, Your Honor, and an offer has already been extended to her for HYTA, so I'm assuming there's not much that's gonna be coming of that. And the individual, there are 2 separate counts, Jaden Allard and Taylor Jones.
2 counts.
Correct.
All right. First and foremost, thank you. The court is going to make a ruling at this point. Court is going to order a friend of the court investigation regarding custody, parenting time, and support. It's an initial determination. It's initial only because the current matter before the court was on an interim basis. At the time the court entered that, the defendant was in the Tuscola County Jail. Now I hear father is charged with domestic assault against mother. There's a no contact provision involved. This is a motion for custody. Prior orders are going to continue as previously stated regarding any parenting time for mother. I will require the parties within 21 days from today to submit names of individuals who could supervise the respective parental or parenting time for mother. Those names are to be submitted to the friend of the court. And I need 3 names. If you only have one, I guess you only have one, but no disrespect regarding the parties here. Patrick Golov or Ms. Beaker should not be on the list because I need someone, frankly, that's impartial, that can just monitor the visits so that the children are safe and there's no protection of either party. In other words, if defendant's mother is the supervisor, there's the possibility of trying to protect any alleged problems. Same with Mr. Gold. 3 individuals, if you have 3, submit it to the front of the court within 21 days. If you fail to submit it within 21 days of the court, or we don't get it, then at that time, the court will deny the motion and continue the prior orders. That's all I can do. This is a mess. That'll be all. Thank you.